Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Set Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your capture card to OBS on your PC so you can go ahead and record gameplay or live stream. And this is easy to do. So first we want to go and make a new scene, or we can add it to an existing one. I'm just going to go to the plus icon and then just do this maybe like PlayStation 5 or something like that, PS5, or view capture card. And then we can go to OK. I got my scene set up. Now let's go to sources and go to the plus icon. And we want to go to video capture device. And this will be for our webcams, our video capture device. So you can see I already have an existing one set up right here. Otherwise, I can just name something video capture device 2. So I can just choose existing video capture device right here and add it. And this is what you're going to see as soon as you add a new one. So mine is selecting my webcam. I want to go over to where it says my capture card, Live Gamer Ultra Video. So this one should work. Otherwise, I can try a different one. Now, sometimes it might not work if it's being used with a different program. So I got this one selected. So I can switch back between this one and that one. So since I have Streamlabs OBS open, my video capture device isn't going to be working on here. I would go ahead and have to close Streamlabs OBS or any other software that is using it, and then it should go ahead and work for me quite well. But when we're in here, we want to go ahead and change some of the settings. So we have resolution. I know this is a 4K capture card, but typically I just record at like I can't remember specifically what I record at. So we can go device default and let it decide. Otherwise, we can type in a custom resolution frames per second. So what is 4K? So 4K is 3. Oh, looks like it's already got it in there. 380 40, 38 40 times 2160. Then we go highest frames per second. Otherwise, we can just match the output of what we're recording at. So let's just go highest frames per second possible. And then we can press OK. Be good. So just make sure you're closing down all the other applications. Otherwise, it won't be detected. So we can go to video capture device and try adding again. And it's not going to work or pick it up because it's being used a different. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.